In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a chart in LibreOffice Calc. We'll start by opening LibreOffice Calc. If you already have your data saved, open that spreadsheet. Otherwise, you can follow along with any table of numbers. Charts work best when your data is organized in columns or rows with clear headers. Those headers become your labels, so double-check spelling and keep them short but descriptive. First, select the data you want to visualize. Click and drag to highlight the full range, including the header row or column you want to use as labels. Avoid extra blank rows or totals unless you want them in the chart. If your categories are in the first column and your values are to the right, include all of it in one selection. With your range selected, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then Chart. You can also click the Insert Chart icon on the toolbar if you prefer shortcuts. Calc immediately opens the chart wizard and shows a live preview. Choose the chart type that best fits your story. Column and bar charts are great for comparisons, line charts emphasize trends over time, pie works for parts of a whole, and XY scatter shows relationships between pairs of numbers. You can select variants like stacked or 3D views, but keep readability in mind. Simple is often clearer. Next, confirm the data range that Calc detected. Tell the wizard whether your labels are in the first row, the first column, or both. This ensures your categories and series are identified correctly. If something looks off in the preview, it usually means the selection is missing a header or includes an extra blank cell. If you need to fine-tune, customize your data series. You can add or remove series, or adjust which cells feed each series. This is helpful when you want to compare only certain columns or exclude intermediary calculations. Add the finishing touches by entering a chart title and, if helpful, a subtitle. Provide clear labels for the X and Y axes so anyone reading the chart understands what the numbers represent. You can toggle the legend to identify series and turn grid lines on or off to improve readability. When everything looks right in the preview, click Finish. Calc places the chart directly in your sheet. You can resize it, reposition it, or double-click to reopen formatting options later. And that's it. Your data now has a clear, polished visual that's easy to share or print.